Look at his tongue there.
Did he get it?
Oh, look at his tongue. His ears. He got it.
Go to the ground.
Look at this.
There's one on the ground. I wonder why they do that.
Oh.
Oh, I got stuck in the tree.
Wow.
He got stuck in the tree.
They didn't have this name.
Ready?
Alright, there's one.
There's one. Oh, we got that
Here,
one.
bear. Right here.
Oh,
That looks like a
Oh,
You
it's
can do
bad.
the bear show.
I want to pet him.
Yeah, that's true. You wouldn't have a hand after
I
that.
don't think I want to
Look
pet
at
him.
that.
I want to gather up all
There's
those
another
crackers.
bear
know it.
who doesn't have that much food over there.
Yeah.
They need the trim on this.
They need somebody to go in and brush their toes.
I know it.
You volunteer for that one?
Oh, he'll get it in a minute, I bet. Right now he's getting all this fun of this entertainment.
Cute. I want to have a pet bear someday.
Oh, a pet bear, I'll eat you.
Oh,
Get a pet bear.
Bye, bear. Bye-bye.